Are you looking for a new way to earn money? Well, we've got a new site just for you. Here, you can earn money by doing simple tasks. It is so simple that you can receive money through PayPal by just clicking. I'm going to show you a new way to make money today that will pay you $4 for every 20 clicks you make. They'll pay you for all the clicks you send their way, and you can make up to 20 cents for every visitor. As you can see here, you can earn up to 20 cents per click. One click is worth 20 cents, so 20 clicks will net you $4 with no effort, and 500 clicks will net you $100 in a matter of minutes. Anyone can sign up and start making money. So stay tuned and watch till the end of the video so you won't miss out this awesome opportunity. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you were looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The site we have today is EntireWeb.com. When comparing search engines, EntireWeb.com is very close to Google, but the difference is that EntireWeb pays you for the same thing, searching. Almost everyone here has probably used Google at some point. Simply type in your search term of voice into Google and you'll have instant access to all the information there is to find. Although it's relatively fresh on the scene, they function very similarly to Google as a search engine. Simply enter a keyword into the box at the top of the page to see results. Let's use the example of ways to get money online and then hit the enter key. You may search in a jiffy by clicking on an image to bring up relevant articles, blogs, and videos, or by typing in the term you wish to find. Because of this, you can earn up to 20 cents for each click you generate. It's a fair question to wonder why they're forking up the cash for the obvious reason that more individuals will end up using EntireWeb as a result. By becoming an EntireWeb affiliate, you can spread the word about this no-cost search engine and get more people to start using it. In addition, you may make 20 cents over and over again for every click, whether it's a search, a website visit, or an image click, which is potent because you don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is tell people to use this free search engine and you'll start making money. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give our channel a big thumbs up. We are grateful for your support. Please let us know what you thought of this video and whether or not it was useful in the comment section. First things first, let's create an EntireWeb affiliate account for free. Clicking the Create Account button will bring you to this form, where you can enter your name, email address, password, and other information. Also, choose the country where you're from. Mark this box to indicate your acceptance of the terms and conditions before clicking the Sign Up button. Once you've done that, you can start advertising the EntireWeb search engine all over the internet and keep getting clicks on its own. I'm going to show you a bonus website that uses an automated system to get you to click on it, and that website is Hercules.com, where you can promote any link you like without any restrictions whatsoever. Again, there is no cost, no risk, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. To begin right away and get your free $5 sign-up bonus, just click the icon below. There, you will be able to enter your first and last names, a username and password, and your email address, as well as accept the terms of service and create an account at no cost. Check the box labeled I'm not a robot, then click the Create Account button. The link will bring you to a website where you can select a membership plan, either free or premium. Before we go further, how are you enjoying this video so far? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. For the time being though, let's get back to the video and we'll do our best to answer all of your comments individually. We won't be spending any money, so relax. Here, you need only select the no-cost option. If you want to proceed without spending a dime, just click here. As you can see, clicking this link will bring you to your user profile. I'm all signed up and all you have to do is click this button right here. Clicking this link will take you to a page where you may post an advertisement via email or the web at no cost. Just below is an example of a periodic mailing that I'd like you to keep an eye out for. The only information we need to supply is the advertisement's headline, URL, and body copy. Use new search engine that replaces Google named EntireWeb as the subject line of your email ad. Additionally, Hercules.com will facilitate the automated sending of emails to thousands of recipients. The beauty of this service is that all you need is a free subscription to accomplish all of this. After you've decided on an email subject line, it's time to provide a test URL link that will serve as your affiliate link. If someone follows your link, they will always be redirected to the EntireWeb search engine, and we will continue to earn 20 cents per click each time they search. Click the search button or click on any link, video, or image. As a result, this is a great strategy for promoting any link you want. Use phrases like, click on the link above to try out this brand new search engine that works considerably better than Google itself, for the main body of the ad. If you're curious about how it works, you can give it a shot on your own. If you want more people to click this link and give it a try, you should emphasize the word free right here, because people are more willing to try out anything that doesn't cost them anything. With the support of Hercules.com, we can easily reach thousands of people with these email advertisements, and because it's free, a sizable percentage of them will follow the link. And each time they use your referral link to conduct a search and visit one of these sites, you will earn another 20 cents. So how exactly do I get paid for using EntireWeb? Easy, but make sure you have your PayPal account. When you've made enough money, you can transfer it to your PayPal account by following the steps on the screen. Payments to affiliates will be made via PayPal on the last day of each month for the preceding month, and all monetary transactions will be done in US dollars. I understand that this will not replace your regular 9-to-5 job, but it is a fantastic way to supplement your income. Now that you know about this new money-making opportunity, you may start earning 20 cents per click or $4 for every 20 clicks. What kind of results have you had from using EntireWeb so far? We'd love to know your thoughts and also to help our community of moneymakers learn about your journey. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our awesome content. Good luck and see you in our next video.